this creature may be less of an animal and more of a gardening accident. Here we observe the Gumoss, a pal that appears to exist in quiet partnership with the ecosystem itself. Moss, flowers, and small plant life grow freely across its body, suggesting either remarkable biological harmony or a complete inability to notice it. It moves slowly, deliberately, as if every step must first be approved by the forest. In nature, some creatures camouflage, others become the habitat,